most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi folks, I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today we're going to show you the leg strengthening program everyone should do. No equipment 3 times a week, which means no excuses, right, Brad?
Say no more, Bob.
You can use equipment. We're going to show you some stuff you could use, but
Optional.
you really can get by without it.
Yeah, that's right.
So by the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. We're also going to keep you motivated. Also, go to bobandbrad.com. Go to the giveaway section. We're always giving something away. This week, we're giving away the Knee Glide. This is a device you can use after knee surgery, before knee surgery, also with knee arthritis.
That's right,
Works
Bob.
really great. Go to Facebook. It'll be pinned to the top of the page, the contest that is. Also, go to Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok if you want a 60-second version of our program. So these are just 6 exercises. These are ones I do. You know, years ago, Brad, I thought, I don't need to do leg strengthening exercises. I run.
Right.
But running does not strengthen your legs to a large extent.
No, it's a good endurance exercise, good circulation, good for the cardiovascular system, but it doesn't really strengthen the muscles.
So let's get started here, Brad.
All right.
The first one that you should do is, oh, geez, I almost lost my balance here, is I want you to do some prisoner squats or posture squats.
Oh.
Prisoner squats are you put your hands behind your
Do you know this from experience?
Yeah, I do. Get up against the wall, Bob. So you're going to squat down. You're trying to keep your knees back. Yeah, here, show them, Brad. You're trying to even that. You're still a little bit. There we go.
Here, perhaps we'll use a visual.
Yeah.
That's an interesting concept.
So you're trying to keep your knees so they're not going past the toes. If you have a lot of trouble with that, you might even use the ball. Do you want to just show the ball on the wall here, Brad? Why don't you show it on this wall first?
The ball
on the wall.
On the wall.
So
now,
this, again, this would be equipment, obviously, that you need.
You cannot do it with a wall like this.
No.
We're just doing it so you can see the angle.
Yeah, so now it's real easy to keep the knees.
Here, I think maybe I can do it down here.
Oh,
there we go. Okay.
Sure. It's real easy to keep the knees well behind the foot. And also what you can find with this, if you have sore knees,
yeah,
this is a lot easier.
Right.
You don't, and you can do shallow ones.
So this would be wrong. You know, if we're like that,
right.
That's incorrect. Okay.
So I do like posture squats or I do prisoner squats, which are almost the same. And I lean back and I go down as low as I can go, which is not that low.
Right.
But I do like 20 to 30 of these.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So it's like if you're at a basketball game, you're going to cheer.
Well, what it's doing, it's working all those posture muscles.
So
at the same time,
up in the scapular area. So all these, and it is amazing. Yeah. You don't notice it until you do it, but you really feel these muscles working when you do this.
My arms start to fatigue, my shoulders start to fatigue as
well as the legs.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right. So posture squats or prisoner squats. You're then going to do. You want to get the inner thigh and buttock and quads. So you can do some lateral lunges, and basically you're going to step forward. I usually throw a little squat at the end of it.
You do?
Brad. Yeah.
So are you reaching out as far as you can?
As far as I can go, which is not very far. Again, this is for the elderly too.
So you're using these muscles.
Inner thigh, yeah, you definitely feel.
You could do these right along your countertop
if
balance is an issue.
Yeah.
You know, you don't have to go real far if you don't want to. It's still going to work those muscles. If you want to use a stick or a cane, you know, you could do this.
Yep. There you go.
It's kind of like dancing.
There you go. Oh, good Lord. All right, next one. We want to get the muscles, the hip abductors, the muscles on the side of the leg. So what I do, this is actually, I'll show the beginner and I'll show the advanced.
Sure.
All right, Brad? So I just do these on the floor. The beginner would be very simply, you lie on your side and you're going to go ahead and work on it like this.
So he's working that hip adductor, which is really important for how you walk and a good
for balance.
Yes.
Toe pointed straight forward, not toe pointed up.
Right here.
But now to make these a lot more difficult, I actually do double ones. So I get on my side like this, onto my elbow, and I actually lift up.
Wow.
So this one's really working. This one's got resistance, the lower one, and the upper one's working at the same time. So this one is a good workout.
Now I have to admit, my back with spondylolisthesis, I've tried these and it does not tolerate it. It hurts. So if these create pain or in your back, then you don't want to do them.
Yeah, and I always just go to fatigue on these, Brad.
Sure.
So I mean, I'll do 15 if I can get there. But what I'll find is that after I do the lower one and I flip over, that one's already tired out. So
I'm over here, Bob.
Oh, there you are. All right, hamstrings. You could do this off a chair, off the floor, off a ball. There's a lot of different ways you can do this. I mean, you can start off. The basic way is just doing bridging.
Sure.
You know, so I'm working the hamstring here.
But the further your heels are away from your buttocks, the more the hamstrings work.
Oh yeah, I almost feel cramping almost right immediately.
You do have to be careful about cramps.
Yeah, this works out fine. You can do it on a ball. Same thing.
So you need a bigger ball like this.
And you can lift up like this. And if you want to work the hamstrings another way, you can actually go like this too. Just work it like this.
Sure. Yep.
I haven't done these in a while.
I can see you're really wobbly on that, Bob. But that's the beauty of the ball.
Right.
It's forcing a lot of core muscles and hip muscles to work other than the hamstring. So you're getting a double benefit.
I don't usually use the ball, so
yeah, you got to get used to it.
All right, buttocks. If you want to concentrate purely on the buttocks, this is one to do for that. You're going to bring the leg up like this, and you're going to work straight up like that. Am I going straight up, Brad? I never can tell.
Yeah, so you're talking about this foot.
Yeah. That one's going straight up.
Be careful about hamstring cramps on this one. If you got crampy muscles or whatever, then you can do this one with the legs straight. It does include the hamstring a little bit more, but it won't get a cramp.
And you want to try to squeeze the buttocks together while you're doing this.
Get those glutes really working, that glute maximus.
Yeah. So you can see this is a fairly quick program to go all the way through. Brad's going to show the final one, which is just calf raises.
Did we mention how many repetitions yet?
Again, I'll do like 10 to 20 on these, even 30. I do squats. I do sets of 30.
Sure. But if you're starting out, 10 is certainly a good goal.
Because you're not really adding any weight, besides your body weight.
Right.
I think you can do a lot of reps, especially calf muscles where I definitely do 20 to 30 of those too.
But if you really want to get stronger, you'll want to get more resistance. Like if this is too easy, I can do 30. I might want to go to 1 foot.
Oh, I do single leg. That's what I always
like that.
do.
Yep.
But that's been enough for me.
Yep.
I haven't had to go any further.
Yeah, these aren't going to get your muscles big like a weightlifter, but they're going to get them stronger.
It's going to maintain strength.
Right.
This is a good program for maybe if you're pushing up a little bit higher in the age cohort there.
Yeah, like you're feeling like your balance isn't as good as it used to be.
Yes.
It might be a strength issue.
Yep. So give these a try, and we always like your feedback. Give some below. Remember, Brad and I can fix just about anything
except for
a broken heart.
Yeah.
But, someday we'll find the answer.
Dustin, we'll continue. We've been working on this for 8 or 9 years now.
Yeah.
We haven't made much progress, but we'll persevere.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.